Your zero balance today still digs a 4,000-meter debt trap until you cut it. At 37, bankruptcy filings just soared 18%, but you can rebuild in 24 months. Month 1, freeze spending, list every dollar. Month 3, attack the highest APR first, not the smallest. Month 6, automate 50 weekly into an S&P 500 ETF. By month 24, you've got a 5,000 cushion and a 401(k) match. The trap isn't your balance, it's time. Start today, or the meter digs deeper. What's your first cut? Comment below. Follow for daily personal finance tips, and I'll see you tomorrow.